Welcome children to class 5. Today we shall study the first lesson of social studies. Lesson 1, The Globe, a model of the earth. This lesson we shall be studying about shape of the earth, continent, oceans, globe, latitudes, longitudes and the grid. Let us be learn about shape of the earth. Did you know children that long period of time earlier people believed that the earth was flat like a coin. But later on when pictures were taken from space then we got to know the earth is actually spherical like sphere. Due to it is safe only half of the earth is visible at a time. Children, what is the shape of the earth? Children, what is the shape of the earth? Earth is shaped like a sphere. We are live on the earth. It is made up of land and water. We got idea about land and water distribution on the earth by looking at globe. The blue area have represent the water bodies and the green area represent the land. Children, let us we learn continent. The earth landmass makes up earth around 30% of its surface and it is divided into large land masses called continent. What is continent? Large land masses of the earth are called continents. There are 7 continents on our planet. There are 7 continents on our planet. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. These are our 7 continents. Asia is the largest continent, the most populated continent in the world and is made up of 48 countries. Africa is second largest continent. North America is third largest continent. South America is fourth largest continent. Antarctica is fifth largest continent. Europe is sixth largest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Each continent is divided into countries. India is 7th largest country. India is 7th largest country. Children, how many continents? There are 7 continents. Name the continent: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. Which is the smallest continent? Australia is the smallest continent. Children, next we learn oceans. Water bodies around 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water. Large water bodies surrounding the continents are called oceans. There are 5 major oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest, deepest ocean. It covers almost Earth's water surface. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world, about half the size of the Pacific Ocean. The Indian Ocean is named after our country, India. This is third largest ocean. The Southern Ocean is fourth largest ocean and also called the Antarctic Ocean. Southern Ocean is called Antarctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean on the earth. Which is the smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean. Which is the smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean. How many oceans are in the world? 5 oceans. Name the 5 oceans of the world. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Which is the largest ocean of the world? Pacific Ocean. Let us learn the globe. The globe is a scale model of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth. It is spherical in shape and gives an accurate picture of the earth. However, we can see the only of the globe at a time. We have to turn the globe around to see the other half like the earth. The globe rotates about its axis. An axis is an imaginary line passing through an object about which it rotates. What is imaginary? What is imaginary? Imaginary means that lines are not real. That is called imaginary. The axis of the earth is tilted at an angle on 23 of degree. The axis of the earth is tilted at an angle on 23 of degrees. The two end points of the axis of rotation are known as poles. The northern end of the earth axis of rotation is called the North Pole, while southern end is called Southern Pole. What is poles? The two end points of the axis of rotation are known as poles. What are the poles? North Pole and South Pole. Next, let we learn equator, northern and southern hemisphere. Halfway between the two poles is another imaginary line circling the earth. Equator. What is an equator? The imaginary line circling around the earth, dividing it into two equal curves, is also known as the equator. North of the equator is the northern hemisphere. South of the equator is the southern hemisphere. North of the equator is northern hemisphere. South of the equator means southern hemisphere. What is equator? The imaginary lines circling around the earth, dividing it into two equal curves, is known as the equator. Next we learn what is the futures, what are the problem using globes. First one you see futures. Globe represent the earth in a simple accurate way. It shows only continent, oceans and important countries. Globes show the distribution and location of continent and oceans on the earth's surface. Globes are not fixed, they can be rotated. Globes are not fixed, they can be rotated. What are the problems using globes? Globes do not show the entire at a single glance. Globes cannot show small areas in great details like about state, town and cities. Globes are difficult to carry around. Globes are difficult to carry around. Do not carry many places. Do not carry many places. Children, listen carefully. Where am I on the earth? Children, you must have sent your house location to your friend using Google Map. It will observe the numbers of send location. This number are called geographical coordinates. What is coordinate? The value of the lines of latitude and longitude whose intersection mark the location of the place. Let us understand how to locate place on the globe. Horizontal lines and vertical lines are drawn on it. They are called latitude and longitude. How to measure latitude and longitudes? Lines. Latitudes and longitudes are marked in degrees. So, 60 minutes is 1 degree. How to measure? 60 minutes is 1 degree. Now, let us see what are latitudes. They are also parallels. The full horizontal circle are called latitude or parallel as they are drawn parallel to the equator. Parallel means lines running side by side, always keeping the same distance between them. What is parallel? The parallel means lines running side by side, always keeping the same distance between them. They measure the distance of the place, north or south of the equator. Equator is marked 0 degree. What is the degree of equator? Equator is marked 0 degree. The north pole is marked 90 degree north. The south pole is marked 90 degrees south. There are 181 parallel in all including the equator. 90 parallel in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallel in the southern hemisphere. How many lines of the latitudes? There are 181 lines. 90 parallels north side, 90 parallel south side. Features of latitude. The equator is the longest latitude. The equator is the longest latitude. The latitude run parallel to each other in the east-west direction. The length of the parallel decreases as we move away from the equator towards the poles. Thus, equator is the longest latitude. Latitude run parallel to each other in the east to west direction. All of them form complete circle except the north and south poles, which are points. The latitude decreases in length as you move from the equator to the poles. Thus, equator is the longest latitude. Next, we will learn important latitudes. Children, observe the latitudes here other than equator and poles. There are 4 important latitudes. Tropic of Cancer at 23 of degree north. Arctic Circle at 66 of degree north. Tropic of Capricorn at 23 of degree south. Antarctic Circle at 66 of degree south. These are all important lines of latitude. What is the circle of Arctic Circle degree? The Arctic Circle at 66 of degree north. Let us learn longitude or meridians. The vertical lines are semicircle that run from north pole to south pole. Children, what is semicircle? Children, semicircle means half circle. Half circle is called semicircle that run from north pole to south pole. They run from north pole to south pole. The longitude running through the Old Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London is marked 0 degree. Is marked 0 degree. It is called Greenwich or the prime meridian. It is called Greenwich or the prime meridian. There are 360 meridians in all. 180 meridians to the east of the prime meridian and 180 meridians to the west of the prime meridian. Children, let us learn international date line. 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line, also refers international date line. Where is international date line? The 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line, also refers international date line. The 180 degree east and 180 degree west longitude meet and form a single line on the opposite side. The 180 degree longitude or the international date line. This line marks the place where the calendar date changes from one day to the next day. Next we will learn features of longitude. The lines of longitude are semicircle that run from one pole to the other pole. The lines of longitude are semicircle that run from one pole to the other pole. They run in a true north-south direction. They run in a true north to south direction. The longitude of place is measured east or west of the prime meridian. There are 360 meridians of longitude drawn at a interval of 1 degree. Children, next we learn global grid. The latitude and the longitude form a network of lines. Or a grid. What is meant by grid now? Latitude and longitude form a network of lines or a grid on a globe and help us in locating place accurately on the global grid. The latitude and longitude together form a network of lines or grid. This is known as the global grid. If we know the longitude and latitude of a place, we can locate it accurately on the global grid. Children, next we learn observe the location coordinate of Washington DC. The first numerical is the latitude 39 degree north. The second numerical the longitude 77 degree west. You see globe. You got an idea as to how to read location of the place. You see the place. Latitude lines and longitude lines meet the network place, that is Washington 39 degree north and 77 degree west. Now let us what we have learned the chapter. What is globe? Globe is a model of the earth. It is the axis north pole and south pole. We know about what is continent and oceans. We know about what is an equator, the two hemisphere, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. We have learned about latitudes, their features and few important latitudes. We know what is a longitude and their features. Lastly, we have seen what is global grid and how to locating of the place. I hope you enjoy the section. Thank you.